It's called a tricep push-up, and we're going to use the ball. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hands on the ball, fingers facing down the sides of the ball. And the reason that I do that, I'm just going to show you from the front, is I want to get a good grip to make sure that my hands don't slide right off the ball. If you put your hands facing forward like you would in a typical push-up, there's a chance the ball is going to roll forward. So I've got my hands facing towards the sides, and then I'm going to step my feet back so that my wrists are just right below my shoulders. From here, I'm going to bend my elbows. Elbows are touching my sides, so my elbows are very narrow. Belly touches the ball. Exhale, press back up. I'm going to show you this from the front so you can see how narrow my elbows stay. See, the width of my elbows is the same as the width of my body. Elbows touch my body. Exhale, press back up. As you get more advanced, you can position the ball so that it's further out in front of you, and this becomes a lot more challenging. Chest to ball, press back up. Again, I'm going to show you that easier version. Easier version would be belly to ball, press back up. And that's your tricep push-up with the ball.